Okay. The TV. If we press the input button and point it at the TV, if we go to HDMI 2, we get satellite. If we go press input, go to HDMI 1, we get the Blu-ray player. We can control the Blu-ray player by pointing the Blu-ray player remote control at that. So if I hit over, it'll go over. There you go, see, and it's working. It's not super fast, but it does work. Anyway, so that is with the Switchbox over here set to 1. If we set the Switchbox to do and the HDMI to 1, which is Blu-ray player, then the HDMI input is right here. And you can use that for like your streaming device.